Narendra Modi-led Indian government has once again escalated the false flag operations and anti-Pakistan propaganda as the general elections are approaching in India. According to Kashmir Media Service, the Modi regime immediately blamed Pakistan for an attack on the Indian troops at the Surankot in the Poonch district, though the area is 15 to 20 kilometers away from the line of control in occupied Kashmir. After the incident rose, fake Twitter accounts and the biased Indian media started accusing Pakistan without any evidence. Anti-Pakistan propaganda was carried out through false flag operations in Rajouri on January 25th, just before the Indian Republic Day on April 26, days ahead of the G20 summit. The Modi regime has also conducted false flag operations in the Poonch district on 21st May, Islamabad district on 14th September and Neelam on 28th October and blamed Pakistan for these incidents. On October 5th, the Indian media accused Pakistan of supporting the attack in the Rajouri. In fact, an Indian major himself had killed 5 Indian soldiers by his firing. In April, the Indian media termed the incident in Bhatinda as terrorism and blamed Pakistan for it. Later, it was revealed that the Indian soldier was fed up with the sexual abuse and killed 4 comrades. The so-called surgical strikes before the 2014 elections and the Pulwama attack before 2018 elections were also staged by India. Indian troops in their fresh act of state terrorism martyred 3 Kashmiri civilians in the custody in the Poonch district. According to Kashmir Media Service, Indian troops arrested Safir Hussain, Muhammad Shaukat and Shabir Ahmed during cordon and search operation and killed them in custody in Bafliaz area of the Poonch district. A teenager was killed and another injured when a mortar shell exploded in the Samba district. According to Kashmir Media Service, 19-year-old Pawan Singh of the village was killed while another youth, Roshan Singh, sustained injuries when a mortar shell they were reportedly fiddling with exploded in the forest area. All parties Hurriyat Conference has strongly denounced the custodial killing of 3 innocent civilians by the Indian Army in the Poonch district. According to Kashmir Media Service, the civilians Safir Hussain, Muhammad Shaukat and Shabir Ahmed were arrested by the Indian troops during a cordon and search operation and killed them in custody in the Bafliaz area of the district. Indian troops and its dreaded agencies have converted occupied Kashmir into a colony of the Stone Age, where the people are being treated as slaves, having no fundamental rights. A report released by the research section of Kashmir Media Service today said the people of Kashmir have been facing Indian state terrorism since 27 October 1947, when its forces forcibly landed in Srinagar and occupied the territory against the will of the Kashmiri people.